Hello all, my name is Abdul Rahman and in this video I am going to talk about Argparse for making command line interface, or you could say CLI. Argparse is standard library and it's a parser for command line options, arguments and subcommands. If you want to learn more about Argparse, then open your web browser and then go to this website. Okay, docs.python.org slash 3 slash library slash argparse.html. Okay, you go back. So now, first of all, the reason for making CLI is that it can make easier, it can make quicker for modifying variables, modifying parameters and etc. So now let's start with a simple calculator. Let's start with a simple calculator program. So now I am going to convert this program into CLI. Before that I will run this program. I have written this one and now I have given operator equals to calculation. I am calling this, okay, and then I have given 10 comma 2, which means 10 divided by 2. We have given division here. So let's run this program. As you can see here, it's printing 5.0. Okay, so I will clear up all this one. So now I'm going to convert this into CLI using Argparse. So for that, what I will do is I will go here and import here, import Argparse. Then I will go here and I will give this import sys, and then I will give it, I will create a definition, and then I will give it input, then a brackets, okay, and then I will give here is parser equals to argparse dot argument argument parser, and I will brackets, and then I will give is parser dot add argument, and in the brackets I will give is dash dash x, then beside that I will give is type of type float, type equals float, beside that default here I will give is 1.0, and then I will press here enter. So now I will type it here and I will give is help, comma, help is equals to enter the first number into the first number. So now I will give is this one as space. So now I will copy this line first of all from here to here and paste it here, then again save it. Now I will give is parser dot add, here I will give is y, and then float is 1.0. okay, so here I will give is operator. I have to give here second number, and then beside the x includes the operator operator. Then here in the place of enter the first number I will give is, there are 4 choices, right? That is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So I will give that, first of all I will give here is addition, then I will give is subtraction and multiplication, division. So now it's there, right? Okay, so now what I will do is I will save this one Okay, so now here is the one. Args dot, okay, args equals to parser, args is equal to parser dot parse underscore aux. Then here I will give is, now I will give here is sys dot st dot write, and then in the brackets I will give is str, then again I will give is calculation, and in the brackets again I have to create one more bracket, that is I will give aux, save it. So now I will copy, so now I will give is, in the place of this one I will give is args, and now if args dot, so I will copy from here, and then I will paste it here, and here and here, and now at the end I have to give is, I will remove this one, and I will give here is if, then the will score name equals to main, then again I will give it like, sorry, and this. So now I will give is like this, and now I will give input, and I will create here brackets. Okay, so now let's run this program in our command prompt. Here I will open. So now I will give is python, then which one is args dot py, it's printing none, right? So I don't want to show that. So now for that what I will do is I will give here is that addition, it's float here, I want string and then and I will give here is addition, and let's run it again. So now what I will do is I will give here some same thing, it's showing 2.0. so okay, for what I will do is in place of addition, what if we give is multiplication, and run it again. Okay, what will be the answer is default equals to 1, right? 1 on the 1, it will be 1, right? So I will give is 1. Okay, it's showing 1, that's the difference. Okay, so now in place of giving float, what I will do is I will give here int, and here int, and run it again. So I will run it again, showing in here. Why? Because we have given here 1.0 comma 5, and then here I will give is 3 with 15, it will be there. Run it again, it's printing us 15. Why? Because they have multiplied two numbers, which is 5 3s are 15. Okay, so guys, that's all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.